Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to repost someone else's post on our Instagram. So first thing we have to do is open the Instagram application, and this is the look when you already open it. And now we just need to looking for the post we want to repost to our Instagram by just going into this segment in the explore, and you just decide which post that you want to repost. For example, I want to repost this picture. You just need to go focus on this three small button here and just click airplanes, and then just need to take a look on this button features and just go click add to story. And now you already generated the post into your story section. You can just make the post appear just by picture like this with the idea of the someone that own this post, or you just need to click it to have a different style. There will be a account that own this post appear here, as well as the captions, part of the caption. And after you're satisfied deciding the mode, you just need to click add your story and just keep current settings. Now let's check either the post is already posted into our story or not. Just click this our story, and it's already posted into your account. That's all the way how to repost someone else's post on our Instagram. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.